Hello friends, I am Dr. Vijay Songire. I welcome all of you in my YouTube channel. Today our topic is spoken English. Watch this video till the end and definitely you will clear your concept on English language learning. We will start with this quotation. People are better identified not by their appearance but by the language they speak. When you see that how people are speaking, then you frame your judgment about them. Therefore language is very important. You should use words appropriately, okay, because people judge you not by your appearance but by the language you speak. Knowledge of languages is the doorway to wisdom. Friends, each and every language is a kind of storehouse of knowledge. When you are learning a language, then it is a good sign. It is a sign towards personality development. What is a language then? It is written or spoken symbols. The system of communication in speech and writing that is used by people of a particular country. It is a means of expression of thoughts, feelings, and emotions. It is a social phenomenon. When you are speaking, okay, then you are connecting yourself with the larger society. So it is called a social phenomenon. It is a cultural phenomenon also. When people celebrate different festivals, then they wish each other. Okay, they use language. Okay, they don't have any other tool except that. So it is called a cultural phenomenon. Language is a system. In each and every language, there are different rules of grammar. There are different sentence structures. There are tenses, okay, and all these things are very systematic. Okay, you can't break any rule, okay, until and unless you are aware about all these things in a very systematic manner. Okay, you will not be able to speak. Okay, so language is a system. There are many functions of language. Here in this video I have just put these four important functions. These are to express, to communicate, to interpret, and to control. What are There are many reasons for learning English language. Okay, let us see few of them. English is a common language used across globe. It is language of trade, industry, and science. It When you learn English, then it creates many more employment opportunities for you because it is a global language. English is an official language of 53 countries. It is a window to the world because it gives glimpses of the developments happening in the world. It is spoken as a first language, spoken by 400 million people of the world. It is language of the internet. When you want to seek any information, you want to find any information, then you simply use Google. Okay, if you type any word like geography, history, okay, you will find information in English. Okay, learning English is very easy to understand comparatively with other languages. Why so? Because in English there are only 26 alphabets, and eventually it is really fun to speak English with the people of different countries. There are different methods of learning English language. These are the three methods, okay, I have discussed here. Grammar translation method, direct method, and communicative approach. Grammar translation, where the teacher uses regional language of the learner. Okay, for example, any English teacher is teaching English in the class and majority students know Hindi. So to make teaching process an easier task, the teacher starts using Hindi. Okay, it is called grammar translation method. In direct method, the objective of the teacher is to give maximum exposure to the target language, that is English. Okay, so it English is used, okay, all the time. It is called direct method. Communicative approach, in this method the teacher gives many more chances to the students to speak. Okay, it is called situational approach towards language learning. Okay, the emphasis is given, okay, to speak something. Okay, the class is divided into different groups and they are asked to frame sentences, okay, depending upon different situation, and they are asked to frame some sentences, okay, with the help of previous learning, or any topic is studied, then they are asked to prepare something and to speak with each other, okay. So communication is highlighted, so it is called communicative approach. What is a natural language learning process? Okay, it is listening, speaking, reading, and writing. When you want to learn any language, okay, I am not talking about English only here. When you want to learn any language, then you should follow this natural order of language learning process, and it is listening. Okay, language learning starts from listening. When any baby is born, then the baby starts listening right from the day of the birth, okay, until 2 to 3 years old, continuously the baby has been listening, okay. And when she becomes 2 to 3 years old, then she starts speaking, okay. So the very first one language learning skill is listening. So if you want to learn English, then you have to follow this natural order. So how will you improve your listening? You have to listen to different audios, videos, listen to different seminars, workshops, okay. And once you feel comfortable, okay, about your listening, it will definitely build up your confidence and you will try to speak, okay. Then speak with your friends, with your acquaintances, family members, and colleagues, okay. You have to practice reading also. Develop this habit of reading. Read English newspapers, read novels, articles, stories. It will improve your knowledge part. It will give you certain idea about sentence structures in English, okay. It will improve your word power also, and it will help you to speak somewhere whenever demands, okay. Then writing skill. Writing skills help you to express your opinion in written manner, okay. So it is very important. When you are a language learner, then you need to maintain a daily diary, okay. It definitely helps you to get focused, okay. So these are the four fundamental language learning skills, as well as they come under language learning process. There are some technical as well as psychological problems faced by the language learners, okay. These problems are related to different sentence structures, grammar rules, vocabulary, okay, and tenses. So you should focus on these four things. These are very important things, okay. In language learning, you should know maximum structures of language, okay. You should study grammar rule, build up your word power, okay, and study tenses, and definitely you will feel confident, okay. And then you have to overcome the psychological problems as well. Sometimes it is found that language learners, okay, have some kind of fear, okay, while learning, okay. They don't express themselves, so it also creates a problem for the teacher, okay. So when you are learning any language, then you have to wipe out this fear, okay. Build up your confidence, stay positive, okay. Then inferiority complex. Sometimes students think that I belong to a very middle class family. Nobody speaks English in my family. So how can I learn English? Okay, so these are the different issues, okay, related to psychological things like inferiority complex. Okay, and any past experience. If the students are facing some negative experiences, okay, at the earlier stage of language learning, then they think that now it is not possible for them to learn English, okay. So if you think that you are facing such issues related to past experience, okay, then you are on the then you are on the wrong track, okay. Your past experience is nothing to do with your language learning, okay. So take yourself up from that past experience, okay. You can learn something new every day, okay. So work on this technical as well as psychological issues. I hope that I have discussed all the necessary points which come under English language learning process. Okay, and I hope that you have understood all these things. If you face any difficulty, then kindly write me in the comment box. Thank you very much.